Hey guys, welcome back sa Today with Jace, and for today's video we will be talking about bank. Just this year kasi I decided to open a bank account sa dalawa kong anak. And of course before that you have to search, inquire, review or maghanap ng mga ideas kung anong magandang bank. 'Di ba? Kasi syempre kung pera na yung pag-uusapan, we have to make sure na maganda yung napili natin na bangko. So nung nag-search ako about yun na nga for kids na mga bank account, medyo konting mga options lang yung nakuha ko, and nung may napili na akong bangko, naghahanap ako ng review kung okay ba, ano ba yung mga do's and don'ts, something like that sa pag-apply. Pero sobrang parang 2 or 3 videos lang yung napanood ko. And kahit ano pang keywords ang gamitin ko, wala akong ibang ma-search. So kaya naisip ko na i-content to para naman makadagdag ako dun sa 2 to 3 na nag-vlog about this bank. Kasi for me, this is very useful lalo na sa mga parents na may mga anak at nagplano na mag-open ng account para sa mga bata. So what bank am I talking about? This is the RCBC. Ito siya. Ito yung passbook namin. The RCBC Go Savers account. So may mga list of questions ako dito kasi marami din akong receive na questions nung nag-share ako dito about sa mga na-open kong account. Mga questions from my friends, mga kakilala, kasi interested din sila na mag-open ng account para sa mga anak nila. So, how to apply for RCBC Go Savers account? How do you qualify to get an RCBC Go Savers account? What are the requirements? Is the opening of account fast and easy? How much is the required initial deposit? How much is the maintaining balance? Will your money earn bank interest? I have a 5-year-old kid. Can I open a Go Savers account for him? And other questions. So, sasagutin natin isa-isa yan for this content, guys, and I hope na this can really help you decide kung mag-open din kayo ng Go Savers account from RCBC Bank. Okay. So, how to apply? I don't know if they have an online application, pero as for me, pumunta talaga ako sa bank kasi gusto ko rin na feeling ko mas mapadali pag nandun ka mismo sa bank. How do you qualify to get an RCBC Go Savers account? So, yung Go Savers kasi, guys, this is not a yung parang normal bank account natin. So, this is just offer for kids. So, kids from 7 to 21 years old. So, yan yung pinakaunang qualification. So, kung may anak kayo pero lumagpas na ng 21 years old, hindi na ninyo siya pwedeng kuhanan ng Go Savers account. Of course, regular bank account na yung dapat sa kanya. Okay. Isa yun sa mga qualifications. What are the requirements? Okay, sige. So, as I've mentioned, kung more than 21 years old na yung anak nyo, hindi nyo na siya pwedeng ma-open na ng account. I-relate ko na lang dun sa nagtanong na I have 5-year-old kid, can I open a Go Savers account for him? The answer is yes. So, kahit pa yung qualifications natin for this account is from 7 to 21 years old, yung mga below 7 years old ay pwede nyo ring ma-openan ng account. What will happen is, nakapangalan siya sa parent name. So, dun siya, yung account niya ay hindi makapangalan sa kanya, sa bata, but sa parent. And once ma-reach na niya yung 7 years old, meron silang tinatawag na bank TOA. Ano ba yon? Bank Transfer of Account. So, that's the time that you can request for Bank TOA para ilipat yung account from your name to your child's name. So, again, pwedeng mag-open ng GoSavers account ang parents na yung mga bata ay below 7 years old. Okay. What are the requirements? So, ang requirements talaga is valid ID ng bata. So, kung meron siyang national ID or student ID with validation. Anong ibig sabihin ng with validation? Yung dapat may nakalagay na school year and yung mismong school year ng pasukan. So, kung hindi na siya validated, meaning to say, it most probably hindi enrolled yung bata. So, they would not consider that. Kailangan meron talagang nakalagay na validation for school ID. Passport, yan din. And dun sa na-mention kong below 7 years old na kid, ang requirement dun would be a live birth certificate ng bata and barangay certificate. Kahit pa pala yung mga nasa tamang edad, like 7 to 21 years old, you need to secure for a barangay certification. Parents' valid ID. So, yun yung mga kailangan lang. Hindi talaga siya sobrang daming requirements. Is the opening of account fast and easy? As for me, so far sa experience ko, sobrang bilis lang niya talaga. Walang masyadong kailangan mo pa ng ganito, kailangan mo pa ng ganyan. So, once you have the valid ID, yung barangay certificate, and you also have as a parent a valid ID, good to go na yan. So, ipaprocess na nila yung request mo for opening an account. And you will just wait. So, actually, yung passbook, ito yung passbook. Yan. Dalawa, kasi dalawa yung anak ko. Makukuha mo siya on the day that you open the account. And you have the option to get a passbook or an ATM or both. So, ang ginawa ko, kumuha ko ng passbook at kumuha din ako ng ATM. So, that's a debit card. The ATM would be available after 1 to 2 weeks mula nung nag-open ka ng account. Okay. So, how much is the required initial deposit? Very affordable. So, yung required or minimum initial deposit is only 100 pesos. How much is the maintaining balance? Wala po silang ni-require na maintaining balance for GoSavers account. Yan po yung nakaganda sa account na ito. So, this is really for kids kasi yung goal nila dito is to motivate kids to save. So, kaya yung expectations nila for this setup is yung kaya lang talaga ng bata. That's why hindi sila require ng maintaining balance, and for as low as 100 pesos, pwede ka na mag-deposit sa bangko. Yun. And will your money earn bank interest? So, good news is yes. So, katulad ng mga normal na bank account natin to any other banks, including RCBC of course. So, if your balance or your money sa account mo reach 5K or 5,000 up, your account will start getting interest from the bank. So, that's very nice. I don't say na sobrang laki as we always normally expect kasi 'di ba? Pero wala naman talagang easy money, guys. At least meron, 'di ba? Kumpara dun sa iniwan mo lang sa bahay mo, wala talagang mai-increase kahit piso 'yan. As I have mentioned, this is the passbook, no. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung front lang. Kasi million na yung ano ko dito. Million na yung dinupisto ko dito. I'll show you, what's good is, if your kids are from 7 to 21 years old, yung account is nakapangalan talaga sa kanila. I just want to show you na pangalan talaga ng anak ko ang nandyan. Ayan. Vince Joseph Oy. Ayan. And as well as this one, pangalan din ng isa ko pang isang anak ko na babae. Ayan, cover ko lang. Ayan, this is how it looks like. Oh, 'di ba? Sa loob. And the rest of the pages ay yung pag transaction record na. Sobrang colorful and sobrang cute. Naa-attract talaga ang mga bata sa passbook nila. Ayan. So, after 1 week, dumating na siya, pero after 2 weeks na namin kinuha dun sa branch. Ayan, maganda kasi pagkadating talaga, nakapangalan talaga sa kanila. Oh, 'di ba? Oh. Parang yung sense of accountability and responsibility ng mga bata ay nafe-feel nila kasi alam nila na sa kanila yun. So, gusto ko lang ipakita, ni-cover ko lang yung account number, but if you can see the name, ayan, Go Savers. May pangalan talaga nila, parang yung mga ATMs talaga natin na nakapangalan din sa atin. And what's good thing for the debit card is you can use this for any cashless transactions and even online shoppings, mga ganyan. But of course, it's the parents' responsibility to guide their kids about this one because nag-open tayo ng account to save. So, of course, dapat hindi talaga siya magamit into other things. Of all banks na na-inquire ko, sila lang yung nag-o-offer ng hanggang 21 years old ang bata. So, usually, pag dumating na sa 18 years old yung bata, sa other banks, na-stop na doon. So, ito, hanggang 21 years old. Minimum or initial deposit, pag may 100 ka, go na yan. Pwede mo nang ma-save yan. Pwede na nilang ma-save yan. Walang ADB, meaning to say, walang average daily balance. Sinabi ko na nga, walang maintaining balance. You can withdraw anytime kung may emergency or if you really have to, you can withdraw anytime kung, of course, if you choose to have a debit card. So again, when you reach 5,000 pesos sa balance, you'll be eligible to earn an interest rate ng bank. I'm not against to saving na like the traditional savings, ilalagay natin sa bamboo charing, sa piggy bank or Okay naman yun. Pero if we talk about wise savings, doon tayo sa mag-i-interest yung pera natin. Kahit pa, regardless na sobrang liit niya, compared to piggy bank na wala talaga, hindi talaga siya mag-i-increase, diba? So, yun. I hope that you learn something about this vlog. Para dun sa mga parents talaga na gusto munang makasure or gusto munang malaman lahat ng information bago mag-invest sa isang bangko, katulad ko. So, medyo na-disappoint lang ako kasi nung pag-search ko talaga guys, 3 vlog lang paulit-ulit, hindi pa complete yung details na nakita kong nag-review for RCBC Go Savers Bank. Go Savers account. So, at least makadagdag to and at least sana makatulong to and na, makadecide kayo to open one. Kasi for sure, this would be a good decision. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much for watching. Hanggang sa susunod. Saranghe! Guys, natapos na akong mag-film ng vlog ko and when I reviewed it, meron akong isang importanteng bagay na nakalimutan which is from 7 to 21 years old, kailangan sila mismo ang pumunta sa bank. So, hindi na pwede na ikaw yung mag-open or mag-request kasi dapat nandun mismo yung anak mo. So, kasama mo sila doon and sila mismo yung ipa-fill out nung sa customer service and magtitake din sila ng photo sa bata. If ever, hindi pwedeng dalhin yung mga bata kasi nga may pasok or kung ano man, merong mga branch ng RCBC na bukas kung weekend. So, I think half day if Saturday. Ganon. So, that's your only chance na makapag-open ng Go Savers account kapag weekend.
or mga RCBC banks na nasa mall, most probably open din sila pag weekend. So yun, that's a very important thing, lalo na kasi may pasok pa ngayon. So for sure, yung mga bata nasa school. And if wala naman kasing pasok kung holiday din ng bank. So, close din sila. So, just, you can always find way on how to, bring the kids then along with you sa pag-open ninyo ng account sa bank.